This video is going to show you how to create a snap quiz in Pear Assessment. If you're on your dashboard, you're going to navigate to your library. I'm going to go to my test library because that's where I'm going to create my test. In the top right corner, I'm going to click the blue button that says New Test. There are lots of options here. For this video, we're making a snap quiz where you upload a PDF to build an interactive quiz. Huge disclaimer. If you create a snap quiz, Immersive Reader will not work for your students, which means if they have an accommodation of a reader, you will have to read the assessment to them yourself. So click Snap Quiz and upload your PDF. Once it uploads, you'll see that you have these tabs at the top, just like you do when you create something else in Pear Assessment, only this time it says Worksheet. That's because you have essentially created a digital worksheet. If you move along these tools on the top row, you'll get to what looks like some book spines. It's the PDF thumbnails. And what that means is if you click it, you get to see every different page that's part of the PDF. What you're essentially creating here when you make a snap quiz is a digital copy of a paper test and a digital Scantron where they can put their answer. So in order to start creating our answer key, our digital Scantron, if you will, we're going to scroll down to page 3 and see what this first question says. So the first question, let's go ahead and close this so we can see, is part A and part B, and it's multiple choice. So we know we're going to make a multiple choice question. So we are going to select that over here, and then we're going to choose the correct answer. I'm going to pretend the correct answer is B. And then I'll choose my standards, which are Kentucky Academic Standards for Reading and Writing, 2019, ELA. There's the standard set, grade 5. When I click this arrow, it's going to pop out and allow me to choose a standard. This is for an informational text, and I'm going to pretend that it's 5.3. When I click Apply and Done, I now have this question ready for students. We'll make our next question, and we'll do the same thing. The answer is C, and we'll say it's the same standard, and so forth. So you're going to work your way through this, and these are all multiple choice questions on this assessment, so all you're going to continue to do is create multiple choice questions with an answer key. If I need to move to the next page, I'm going to, again, open my thumbnails, select page 4, and then close this so that I can see all the questions. And then I'm going to continue making my multiple choice questions. To see what this will look like for students, you can click on Review, and this shows you exactly what it will look like for students. Like I said, they're going to have this PDF that they can view, and then they can answer the questions here. I'm going to go back into my worksheet where I'm working on my draft, and I'm going to save this as a draft. If I was ready to assign it, I would publish it, and then I would be ready to assign it later. If I go back to my test bank now to Created by Me, I will see this Unit 1 Week 1 quiz draft, and I can continue working on it or publish it. So I can continue working on it by clicking Edit, going into my worksheet and adding some more questions, or I can publish it and assign it to students. And that's how you make a snap quiz.